You can put them on stage and, give them the love and let them have a moment in the spotlight. And that's what being in the front row is all about. It's a wonderful relationship between the performer and the person in the front row, and this beautiful energy that's created when we can look at somebody and love on them and respect what they're doing. And as a father, that's a lot of what you're doing. You're putting your kids on the field. You are there cheering them on and being in the front row. I mean, look, it's not always great to be in the front row. I went to a concert, recently, and I went to Rufus Du Sol with my wife and a bunch of friends. I'm looking at the front row going, I don't want to be there.
No, thanks.
I do not in this moment want to be in the front row. And there's, of course, great perspective that you get from being in the back row. But the point is that if we can step up, if we can get close to our families, if we can be in that space, that's really what it's about. And when you look at your calendar, when you look at where you're investing your time, your money, your energy, your resources, like, where is it all going?